Actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more. You are a leader. Good evening to one and all present here. Today, we all have gathered on this memorable day to witness the investiture ceremony of the session 2020-2021. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our principal, Ms. Rashmi Malik, Vice Principal, Dr. Sunita Chakar, Headmistress, Ms. Kumud Aneja, teachers, and the young leaders of tomorrow to be a part of the proud moment. Light symbolizes brightness and prosperity. It removes the forces of darkness and gives us positivity. Light means life. With this noble thought, let us commence this auspicious ceremony with the lighting of lamp and engulf ourselves within the divine prayer. May the divine power bless us all. Akratunda Mahakaya, Suryakoti Samaprabha, Nirvignam Kurumadeva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada, which means, O Lord Ganesha, you are the revered God of our well-being and remover of obstructions. Our humble first invitation is your name. Bless this ceremony as a successful venture. Let us now invite Sneha of class 12th to perform Ganesh Vandana.
हे गणराय तेरे बिना में आदि स्तुताय कहाँ चला मैं। हे गणराय तेरे बिना में आदि स्तुताय कहाँ चला मैं। आकार लेने लगा ख्वाब मेरा, साकार होते रुका ख्वाब मेरा। मेरे अधूरे काज सनी निदा दबा कर दे तू पूरे आज सानी दा पानी दा पमन सरव सरव ननी। नमो 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 नमस्ते, नमो 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 नमस्ते, नमो 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 नमस्ते, नमो 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 नमस्ते। गणपति गणेश लंबोदर सौरे भुजाचार दिग्दत्त चंद्रमा लासे। गणपति गणेश लंबोदर सौरे भुजाचार दिग्दत्त चंद्रमा लासे। ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश दान चतुर्पद गावे, दिव्य चित्र गणनाथ आज मृदंग बजावे। जट तलाट तर तर जात तिनि जट तलाट तर तर जात तिनि जट गणराय ये जीवन हलाहल है, जलता हर एक पल गला हो। हे गणराय भबकता दिया हूँ, है बुझने लगा हौसला। कदम रुक न जाए, कहीं झुक न जाए, ये सर जो कभी ना झुका।
Thank you, Sneha, for this spellbound performance. It was well quoted by Martin Luther King Jr. that I'm not interested in power for power's sake, but I'm interested in power that is moral, that is right, and that is good. The investiture ceremony is a momentous occasion where the newly elected and selected members of the Student Council are officially vested with their positions and responsibilities. The badges on their uniform hold their conviction and commitment for their duties towards their school. This is the first hand experience for the council members to be the torch bearers of tomorrow, to develop their personality, skill, and mindfulness required to be a responsible human being, which means a true leader. The sash adorned on them is a reminder that leaders grow, they are not made.
एक साथ आना शुरुआत है, एक साथ रहना उन्नति है और मिलकर काम करना ही सफलता की कुंजी है। इस सुविचार के साथ अब सभी का अभिवादन करते हुए मैं रानेश चांदना सलवान पब्लिक स्कूल के नवनिर्वाचित छात्र परिषद का स्वागत करता हूँ। I now invite Bhuvan Chandra, the former head boy of the school, to apprise all of us with the procedure of the elections for junior and senior student council.
To be selected as a member of the student council, one has to go through a very rigorous and challenging screening process. The interested candidates were asked to submit the nomination form and attach a candidature with it. The forms were scrutinized by the teachers' committee. The following round was the personal interview with the teachers' committee. After that, junior wing candidates were further interviewed by the headmistress and the coordinator. Following this, the candidates interacted with principal ma'am and the junior council was finalized. Where the senior wing candidates were interviewed by principal ma'am, then the candidates started canvassing for the coming online student council polling. The candidates went through a final interview with the panelists who consisted of the vice principal, the headmistress, and the coordinator. The results of the junior and the senior council will be announced today during the investiture ceremony.
Thank you, Bhuvan. Leadership is unlocking people's potential to become better. Let me now request the headmistress of the school, Ms. Kumud Aneja, to declare the result of Junior Student Council 2020-21.
Thank you, Ranesh. Before I announce the post, I would like to remind the students that it is not the post that defines you. It is you who defines the post. Without much ado, I would take this opportunity to announce the post for Junior Student Council 2020-21. For Prithvi House, the house captain is Priyal. Vice house captain is Akshaya Tiwari. From Sagar House, the house captain is Atulya Singh. Vice house captain is Sumiran Kharbanda. house appointees from Srishti House, the house captain is Shachi Yadav. Vice house captain Nitanya Khatri. Akash House, the house captain is Soumya Singh. And vice house captain is Vanya Gupta. Please put your hands together for the sports captain Anya Agarwal, sports vice captain Urvang Kalia, cultural captain Lavanya Singh, and cultural vice captain Ayantik Nayak. And the junior student council prefects are Trivid Nandal, Angela Braganza, Swati Panda, Ayansh Borgharia, Saksham Arora. Vice head boy is Shaurya Jaryal and vice head girl is Vachi Sharma. Let's make it the most memorable year by fulfilling the promises attached to the post. Many, many congratulations to the post holders.
Thank you, ma'am, for doing the honors. Let me now request the Vice Principal of the school, Dr. Sunita Jhakhar, to declare the result of the Senior Student Council for the session.
Do not follow where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. With these inspiring words, I would like to take this opportunity to announce the result of Senior Council. The various house posts are as follows. Prithvi House Captain Ananya Kapahi, Vice Captain Shruti Upadhyay, Sagar House Captain Mehak Thapar, Sagar House Vice Captain Anshika. Now moving ahead, Srishti House Captain Krishna Gupta, Srishti House Vice Captain Monami Datta, Akash House Captain Mohit Marwa, and Akash House Vice Captain Vanshika Singla. Sports captain for this session is Aryan Vittal, Vice Sports Captain Jigyasa Mohapatra, Cultural Captain Amya Rishi, and Cultural Vice Captain Srihari Samvedula. Prefects in the senior council this year are Kshitij Das, Param Sohal, Purvi Gupta, and Shivangi Mathur. Vice head boy for this session is Aman Das and vice head girl Riddhi Sangman. Heartiest congratulations to all young leaders and our torch bearers.
Thank you, ma'am, for doing the honors. Leadership is lifting a person's vision to higher heights, the raising of a person's performance to higher standard, the building of a personality beyond its normal limitations. It is the time for the most awaited moment of today's ceremony, the declaration of the result for the position of head boy and head girl for the current session. And for that, I would request the leader and the motivational source of our school, respected principal ma'am, to do the honors and enlighten us with her words of wisdom.
Thank you so much, Arunima. So the head boy junior is Anirudh Sharma. Head girl junior is Akshara Bai. I would request all of you to claps. And Senior Student Council, the head boy senior is Ayush Sharma and head girl senior is Asmi Goyal. Congratulations. All right, heartiest congratulations all the winners in the sense, all those who got the student council position this year. But before I move on to the new council and address them, I would like to thank the old council, especially the head boy and head girl, and everybody of the council who's present right now in this meeting, and otherwise who would be watching us on video. Right. Thank you so much, Arunima, Bhuvan. Under your leadership, the council actually did a great work in the school, especially the Samman Divas. The kind of support the entire council gave us was immense. And of course, we will never ever be able to forget your peer education, you know, the kind of projects you helped us run in the school. And you've actually raised the bar of the new council. Now, new council with a very special circumstances, a very different circumstances, and I would say disruptive circumstances have major role to play. So coming to the new council, congratulations, new council. I would request everybody if you can give the reaction on the screen by clap. If you could just show your claps for them. Yes. Congratulations, children. And remember, this is just a virtual batch. Obviously, the moment you will come on the campus, we'll surely give you the real badge on your shirt. Okay, so wait for that. Pray for that moment so that when you come down, you'll really, I mean, this pandemic has actually taught us that how important the human interaction is. Virtually we are doing everything. Now you also saw the badge and the sachet being put on your photograph, which is like, it wasn't given that happiness which you would have got, in the assembly, right? So we are also waiting eagerly, for this pandemic to, reduce and then go back to the school campus and give you in person all the badges, all the sachets which you deserve. Now, till that time, of course, you have to do your virtual duty very seriously, right? We'll be having a very, very special separate meeting wherein we'll be actually giving you the chart, the path, how you're supposed to do that. But just to give you a simple insight into it, that you will have to think of certain new ideas which you can implement in the schools, whatever way we are functioning right now, okay? And we are expecting those ideas to come in weekly. So get ready. You have to do a lot of balancing between your academics and this duty, right? You can take help from Arunima, you can take help from Bhuvan, you can take help from all other people who will tell you what they did right and what they couldn't do very right. So learn from the experience. That is very, very important. And as a leader, I must tell you that leadership is not bed of roses. It's gonna be very, very thorny for you. You'll have that thing in your head that you must be thinking that you're a head boy, head girl, or council member, or this or that. Nothing's gonna change except that your workload will increase. And yes, you will be looked upon. Everybody will look up to you for inspiration, and you have to become role model. There is no escape now from becoming a role model. And this is the opportunity which you've got, wherein you have to excel in whatever you're good at, and you also have to understand your weaknesses and work on that, okay? So the details we'll be discussing in the meeting, the first council meeting with us, wherein we'll be telling you how to go about the various things. There are n number of things which the children, or rather co-students of yours, they need help in actually. Yeah, so there are certain things which teacher also may not be aware. So as council member, you're supposed to be the foremost person, who should be working and, holding the hands of fellow students and make them really strong in this pandemic time also. So virtual classes are going on. You all must be knowing who's studying and who's not studying, right? So we have to identify those kids. We have to ensure that their, academic loss is not there. So that is the first and the foremost thing which we'll be doing. And we'll give you the path also. We'll chart the path for you, how you will be doing. And then, of course, there are many activities which are happening. And during the interviews also, I heard a lot of views from you, wherein you had huge amount of ideas regarding various, activity which you want to implement in the school. So currently, yes, we have to do everything virtually. But when the school opens, then again, the council will play a major role in, keeping all the norms of pandemic, in place. So you'll have to be standing with us, working with us, ensuring everyone's safety all across campus, all right? So we will be actually giving you a lot of leadership work, and we really, really expect a lot. And the previous council, don't think that you will be left like that. We'll rope you in also, because it's going to be a huge task when we'll all come on the campus later. right? It's not going to be easy. We all have to protect each other, okay? So gear up for that particular moment. But before that, of course, you have to gear up for your assessments, which are due. And this is the time when we would like old and new, both the council, work with the teachers and tell us that who needs help, okay? So that we can handhold those children, we can give them extra classes, we can give them more revisions, okay? This is what we are expecting both from junior and the senior council, the previous council as well as the current council now, right? So thank you so very much, all the organizing team, especially the vice principal who was heading the team. Great program, and keep it up. All the best. We'll meet very soon again. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your encouraging words. Now, I would like to call Asmi Goyal and Ayush Sharma for the oath ceremony.
We, the student leaders of Salwan Public School, Gurugram, pledge to serve our school with pride and loyalty. We acknowledge that leadership is not a path to privilege. It is a responsibility. It is not an assertion of control over others. We must have the sincere desire to serve.
We promise to establish a sense of trust and win the confidence of our fellow students and teachers, and inculcate a fond affinity amongst the hearts of all in our school. We will deliver what we promise without compromise.
Thank you, Asmi and Ayush. Let's feel proud and privileged to be a Salwanian with a rendition of our school song.
और ये हमसे है गौरव अभिमान। हम किससे और ये हमसे है गौरव अभिमान। इससे पहचान हमारी है, ये है अपना सलमान। इससे पहचान हमारी है, ये है अपना सलमान। हम थे, हम हैं और हम रहेंगे। हम थे, हम हैं और हम रहेंगे। चलते रहेंगे, बढ़ते रहेंगे, चलते रहेंगे, बढ़ते रहेंगे। सलवानियन, हम हैं सलवानियन। सलवानियन, हम हैं सलवानियन। चलते सूरज की किरणों सा है विश्वास हमारा। चमकाए जो दुनिया सारी, ऐसा बने सितारा। चढ़ते सूरज की किरणों सा है विश्वास हमारा। चमकाए जो दुनिया सारी, ऐसा बने सितारा। ज्ञान के उड़े लगा कर पंख, गूंज उठे शिक्षा का शंख। ज्ञान के उड़े लगा कर पंख, गूंज उठे शिक्षा का शंख। भारत है दुनिया की शान, भारत की शान अपना सलमान। भारत है दुनिया की शान, भारत की शान अपना सलमान। हम थे, हम हैं और हम रहेंगे। हम थे, हम हैं और हम रहेंगे। चलते रहेंगे, बढ़ते रहेंगे, चलते रहेंगे, बढ़ते रहेंगे। सलवानियन, हम हैं सलवानियन। सलवानियन, हम हैं सलवानियन।
Thank you, everyone. I now call the newly elected head boy to share his vision.
In the words of Reid Markham, successful leaders see the opportunity in every difficulty rather than the difficulty in every opportunity. Good evening to one and all present here. I am Ayush Sharma. I have been elected as the head boy for the session 2020 to 2021. I would like to congratulate the students for becoming a part of the Student Council. From the bottom of my heart, I would like to sincerely thank the student body and the teachers to provide us with this wonderful opportunity. This moment feels so surreal that I fail to fathom my own feelings. While I am elated and cherishing this moment, I also realize the enormous task lying ahead of us. This year has certainly been challenging, but at the same time, this brings us a unique opportunity to explore and come up with a lot of innovative ideas. And I am at ease knowing that I am not alone in this quest. I believe that with the right amount of determination and guidance, we can persevere through. I absolutely look forward to working together to make this year memorable and eventful. So let's collaborate and learn from each other and embark on a new journey of prosperity and success. Thank you.
Thank you, Ayush. I now call the newly elected senior head girl to share her thoughts.
Good evening, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, teachers, and my dear Salvanians. I am Asmi Goyal, the head girl for the session 2021. The position of the head girl of this prestigious institution is full of pride with responsibilities. I am grateful to all the teachers and students for showing their faith in me and selecting me for this position. I also congratulate my fellow council members and wish them for their new roles. Necessity is the mother of innovation. Hence, limitations caused by the current global scenario should not be a deterrent for us to move ahead towards attaining our predetermined goals. I hereby declare my preparedness to take charge of my duties. I pledge to create an interactive and collaborative culture. Your continuous support and feedback will help raise the bar for myself and challenge my own best. Thank you.
Thank you, Asmi. Let me now call upon the junior head boy for the current session to share a few words.
Good evening, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Anirudh Sharma. I am very grateful to all the teachers for believing in my potential and giving me the opportunity at school as the junior head boy. I extend my sincere thanks to Principal Ma'am and all the teachers who invested such capabilities in me that I felt confident to be able to discharge my duties and responsibilities as the junior head boy of the prestigious Salvan Public School. With the help of team, I pledge to support my teachers and students in maintaining discipline and making virtual classes a different learning experience. A team is like a tool set. Not one tool can do all the jobs, but together it can. So let's join our hands together to work with team spirit in the day-to-day functioning of our school and students with the help of digital platform. So all the Salvanians, let's take our school to the heights of success. Thank you.
Thank you, Anirudh. I now call upon the junior head girl for the current session to share her ideas.
The struggle you're in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. Good evening, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, Coordinator Ma'am, and my dear teachers. I am Akshara White, Head Girl for the Primary Session 2020-21. For me, being a head girl is more than just an opportunity to take on additional responsibility. It is a chance to build connection with my peers and to give back to my school community. I want to thank all my teachers and mentors who trust me with this role. As head girl, I would like to motivate students to set their goals at the beginning of the week and complete their assignments in their allotted time. I will take sessions on how to actively participate during online classes to understand the lesson better and engage with fellow classmates. During this pandemic, when we're spending a lot of time at home, I will guide my friends to focus on academics as well as in improving the talents and innovative learning techniques that will help both teachers and students. I am very excited to diligently perform my duties and make everyone proud. To my peers, I promise to be a kind and considerate leader and will always work together as a team. Thank you everyone, and I look forward to the future endeavors.
Thank you, Akshara. Now I request respected Vice Principal Ma'am, Dr. Sunita Chhakar, to propose vote of thanks.
Thank you, Arunima. I would like to take this opportunity to say my thank you to following people. First of all, our principal ma'am, Ma'am Rashmi Malik, for guiding us through this program. I'm very thankful to our headmistress, Kumud ma'am, for giving shape to this program. Thank you to all the PTRs. I could see many PTRs, they have joined us for this investiture ceremony. Thank you so much for sparing your time and to be a part of this event. Our anchoring team, Ms. Preeti and Ms. Neelam Khanna, they have played an important role. Our IT team is the backbone of this program, and the kind of arrangements which they had to do from their end, they have made sure that no glitches are there during the ceremony. At last but not the least, Dr. Sadhana for the complete coordination of the program. Whether students were concerned or teachers were concerned, I think 24/7 for the past 2 days, we all were working. So I'm grateful to all of you for making this program a huge success. Thank you so much to everyone.